Research ethics. This is UGC NET 2022. You can prepare for this research ethics. See, what is research ethics? Ethics are the set of rules that govern our expectations of our own and others' behavior. Research ethics are the set of ethical guidelines that guides us on how scientific research should be conducted and disseminated. The third point, if you see, the research ethics govern the standards of conduct for scientific researches. It is the guideline for responsibility conducting the research. So now we can see the ethical principles. First ethical principle is honesty. Strive for honesty in all scientific communications. Honestly report the data, results, methods and procedures, and publication status. Do not fabricate, falsify or misrepresent data. Do not deceive colleagues, research sponsors or the public. Second one is objectivity. Strive to avoid bias in experimental design, data analysis, data interpretation, peer review, personal decisions, grant writing, expert testimony, and other aspects of research where objectivity is expected or required. Avoid or minimize bias or self-deception. Disclose personal or financial interests that may affect research. Third one is integrity. In researchal ethics, the third point what we are going to see is integrity. Keep your promises and agreements. Act with sincerity. Strive for consistency of thought and action. Now we see the fourth one, carefulness. Avoid careless errors and negligence. Carefully and critically examine your own work and the work of your peers. Keep good records of research activities such as data collection, research design, and correspondence with agencies or journals. See the next one, that is the fifth one, is openness. Share your data, results, ideas, tools, resources, and be open to criticism and new ideas. See transparency. Sixth point is transparency. Disclose methods, materials, assumptions, analysis, and other information needed to evaluate your research. Accountability. Take responsibility for your part in research and to be prepared to give an account, that is, an explanation or justification of what you did on a research project and why. Next one, intellectual property. Honor patents, copyrights, and other forms of intellectual property. Do not use unpublished data, methods, or results without permission. Give proper acknowledgement or credit for all contributions to research. Never bagler. The ninth one, confidentiality. Protect confidential communications such as papers or grants submitted for publication, personal records, trade or military secrets, and patent records. 10th one, responsible publications. Publish in order to advance research and scholarship, not to advance just your own career. Avoid wasteful and duplicative publication. 11th one, responsible mentoring. help to educate, mentor, and advise students, promote their welfare, and allow them to make their own decisions. 12th one, respect for colleagues. Respect your colleagues and treat them fairly. 13. Social responsibility. Strive to promote social good and prevent or mitigate social harms through research, public education, and advocacy. 14th one, non-discrimination. We have to avoid discrimination against colleagues or students or on the basis of sex, race, ethnicity, or other factors not related to scientific competence and integrity. 15th one, what is that? In the sense, it is competence. Maintain and improve your own professional competence and expertise through lifelong education and learning. Take steps to promote competence in science as a whole. Legality. Know and obey relevant laws and institutional and governmental policies. 18th one, animal care. Show proper respect and care for animals when using them in research. Do not conduct unnecessarily or poorly designed animal experiments. 18th one, human subjects protection. When conducting research on human subjects, minimize harms and risk and minimize benefits. Respect human dignity, privacy, and autonomy. Take special precautions with vulnerable populations and strive to distribute the benefits and